Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make PPT on mobile phone in Canva. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, tap on the search bar at the top and type Business PPT. Canva will now show you a variety of ready-made presentation templates. Scroll through them until you find one you really like. When you've chosen your favorite, tap it and then press Use this template. Now you'll see your presentation with multiple pre-designed slides. You can edit each slide by tapping on it, change the text, adjust the fonts, or swap out the images. You can even upload your own photos or use Canva's built-in image library. Once your presentation looks good, tap on the slideshow icon at the top. Your PPT will now play smoothly right on your phone. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.